Let's see how you can set up a demo session with PlotSet. On the top side of our homepage, you can see the button Schedule a Demo. When you hit it, you will be directed to our calendar. Specify your time zone first. Then choose a date and time you are comfortable with. Here, you should enter your name, email address, and the details of what you want to discuss. Then go ahead and set up a meeting session. The meeting will be held on Google Meet with one of our experts on the team. Thank you for watching PlotSet.